Hi, I'm Pam, and in my kitchen today we are going to be making an appetizer of baked brie with roasted strawberries and pecans. Having last-minute guests over, this quick and easy appetizer is your answer. Unsure what wine to serve with this appetizer? Well, don't worry, I've got a great suggestion. I would highly recommend a nice dry rosé, one with some strawberry notes in it. Pop those pecans in the oven to roast. Start with honey, add balsamic vinegar, and whisk. Add your strawberries and stir. Prick your brie, top with strawberries, and pop it in the oven. Out comes warm, delicious melted brie. Top with pecans. Enjoy! And check out In Pam's Kitchen on Instagram.